Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Wikicat coin or token on your Trust Wallet mobile. First of all, we're going to be using coinmarketcap.com as the website of interest. As you can see here, this gives us an overview of the Wikicat and its statistics as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to simply scroll down to the bottom of the page, and once at the bottom, you simply copy its smart chain BEP20 contract address. And once you've copied, you simply minimize, open up your Trust wallet. Make sure you possess some swappable tokens like the BNB, the BUSD, Doge, Tron, whatever on the BEP20 network. Then head over to the browser section. Once at the browser section, simply scroll down till you find the Pancake Swap and click on Pancake Swap. Give it time to open up. And once it's opened up, make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain Network. So you're going to change everything to BNB. With these three dotted icons here, you click on this and you select BNB Smart Chain. And boom, it's done. Alright, and our next step is basically going to be swapping out our cake for some Wikicat. So you simply click on BNB, paste the contract address we just copied. And once you've done that, you import the Wikicat onto your Pancake Swap. Okay, and now we're going to be swapping a total of 0.06 USD for 5 million of the Wikicat coin. So you simply click on swap, click on confirm swap, waiting for confirmation. A smart contract call is going to pull up, where you simply click on approve for a certain amount of BNB. So you simply click on approve and boom, add Wikicat to wallet. Click on OK, and that's all. So we're simply, and if you want to view this transaction again, you can simply click on the receipt. Otherwise, you simply close, head over to your wallet, reload, just reload a little bit, scroll down till you find the Wikicat. Here is 5,140,000 of the Wikicat. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Wikicat on your Trust Wallet mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.